As we embark on our journey through gemology, it's essential to lay a solid foundation. And that begins with understanding. What exactly is gemology? Gemology, at its core, is the science, art, and study of gemstones. But let's unpack that a bit more. Gemology delves deep into the physical and chemical properties of gemstones. It's about understanding how light interacts with a gem to give it that brilliant sparkle, or why certain minerals impart vivid colors to some gems. It's a field that intersects with geology, mineralogy, and even physics. Beyond the scientific attributes, gemology is also about the art of cutting, shaping, and enhancing gemstones to maximize their beauty. It's about understanding how a rough stone, seemingly ordinary, can be transformed into a dazzling jewel. Gemstones have been revered across civilizations, from ancient empires that saw them as divine gifts to modern societies that use them as symbols of love, power, and status. Gemology, therefore, also touches upon anthropology, history, and even folklore. Gemologists use specialized tools and techniques to identify, grade, and evaluate gemstones. They can distinguish between natural and synthetic gems, detect treatments, and even appraise their value. Now, you might wonder, why is gemology important? With the jewelry market flooded with synthetic gems, treatments, and imitations, gemologists play a crucial role in ensuring that consumers get genuine products. They help in certifying the authenticity and quality of gemstones. By studying the historical and cultural significance of gemstones, gemologists help preserve stories, traditions, and heritage that might otherwise be lost. The gem and jewelry industry is a multi-billion-dollar sector. Gemologists ensure fair trade, ethical sourcing, and accurate valuation, which is vital for the economy. For many, gemology is not just a profession but a passion. It's about the joy of discovery, the thrill of unearthing stories, and the satisfaction of understanding the world a little better. To sum it up, gemology is a multifaceted field that sits at the intersection of science, art, history, and commerce. It's about understanding the Earth's treasures, both in terms of their physical attributes and the stories they carry. Whether you're here to become a professional gemologist, make informed jewelry purchases, or simply satiate your curiosity, understanding the essence of gemology is the first step.